Back-buttering large format tiles requires a deliberate technique to ensure full bedding and avoid hollow spots. Begin by using a high-quality polymer-modified thinset mixed to the manufacturer-recommended creamy consistency. Use a large notch trowel sized appropriately for the tile thickness and substrate flatness. Commonly, a 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch square notch or larger is used for large format floor tiles, but adjust upward if the substrate is uneven. Butter the back of each tile with the flat face of the trowel first to create a thin skim coat that fills any low spots and prevents air pockets. Then comb additional thinset with the notched side in a single, consistent direction, keeping the ridges parallel to the direction you will press the tile into the floor mortar. When setting the tile, press firmly and move it slightly in a back and forth motion perpendicular to the trowel notch ridges to collapse the ridges and achieve full contact. Check transfer by occasionally lifting a tile to confirm at least 80% coverage and recoup any excess thinset before final cleanup. 3 common mistakes are using overly stiff or overly fluid thinset, not controlling thinset transfer coverage, and skipping substrate preparation. If the thinset is too stiff, you will not get proper transfer, so remix to the correct working consistency and wait for the manufacturer open time if specified. If you do not get good transfer coverage, adjust to a larger trowel notch and use the back butter skim plus notch technique described earlier so you consistently collapse ridges into full contact. If the substrate is dusty, uneven, or not primed, you will get poor adhesion, so clean and level the floor. Apply a suitable primer or patch where needed, and use a gauged porcelain installation method for very large tiles when required. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where we can trade tips, ask questions, and share project photos. We help contractors find work by giving them a place to showcase skills, respond to homeowner posts, and build local visibility.